It's our first time in Scarborough, and the view you saw right now is the view from our room. We were quite lucky with the view
Quite?
and the weather. And the weather.
It's just, yeah, I mean, every single thing has lined up for us
Yeah.
for this holiday, and it's just
Yeah.
been incredible.
Yeah. So it's our last day actually.
Yes.
We have been staying here for 3 days, but we're just gonna check out of the room right now, and we still have probably 5 hours till our train.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna basically explore. We have explored it on our first day,
Yeah.
but I just didn't think of vlogging. I did vlog on my phone. My camera was mainly for like photography and everything that day. So I will show you the montage later, but let's head out first. We're now having some nice iced coffees with lovely view, a lovely man
Life has been good to us.
in a lovely cafe.
Life has really, really been good to us this trip.
So we've now left the cafe and we're walking on this bridge, and that's the view from the bridge. So this bridge, we've been coming here since the first day
Literally.
of living in Scarborough, and it literally gives a beautiful panoramic view of the beach from here. So
It's too good.
and you don't even have to go to the beach. This morning I literally ran to come here
Quite
on the bridge. So our hotel is right behind Nishant, and we saw the sunrise from our hotel.
Small glimpse of it. And
Yeah.
then the next thing I saw Aarti doing was, come, we gotta go.
And then I literally ran to come to this bridge, and then we saw an amazing sunrise. I'll insert some pictures. And yeah, so I think this is probably the last time we're coming on the bridge.
Yeah.
So it's so good, and look behind me, it's so nice. So memories, and if we ever come back in Scarborough, we definitely have to come over here again.
This is the spot.
Yeah. So that's the whole Scarborough city over there, and that's the lighthouse, and that on top is the castle. So we did go there once, and basically we went there during the golden hour. We literally came over here, took a nap, and then went to explore that side of the area. There are a lot of arcades and
Yes,
a lot of them over there, that side. I really didn't like that side, to be honest. But we just went there for the view.
Yeah, and there's a rock wall which is very similar to Marine Drive.
Yeah, it's we call it a sasta marine. So
Yeah, there's also like a viewpoint where it's a statue of the molecular structure of seaweed.
yeah,
Because seaweed is so important in the marine biodiversity in this area.
yeah. So I'll just insert all that footage
Yes.
now. Our hotel is behind this building, and this bridge earlier. So cool. Hi.
Hi. Welcome. You literally look like a scene out of a movie right now. Minus the overacting. So Aarti, where do you shop these days?
I think eBay is a little overrated.
Okay, then. Seabay. A lot of people must just walk up this road, but no, Aarti sees that, and then she has to stop.
We're now walking towards another viewpoint, but I just wanted to say that it is so nice about Scarborough that the council has installed all these benches every single where, so you can literally, sit over here, enjoy the view from literally any point. There are so many benches that you won't feel like, oh, there are no benches to sit on. So, that's one thing I really, really liked about Scarborough. We've now again come to a viewpoint. And now we've just come to the Italian garden, which is literally right next to where we were before. So we've just come down over here and it's again really beautiful. Look how he's just staring at us.
I love how they're not scared of us.
Yeah. We've now come down here and Nishant's just taking the disabled route because he's a good man and he's bringing us down the suitcase. We're just walking across the beach,
Yeah.
and I really wanted to say that this beach has so many dogs, like so many dogs.
I
Like,
think it's
all
a-
3 days we've
yeah.
seen more dogs than probably humans.
It's a haven for them, I think.
Yeah,
Just
literally. Like, and it's so nice that they're just coming out here playing,
running free.
running, literally going places to literally get their ball and fighting with other dogs. So it's really nice to
And
see
not
all
just
of that.
here. We saw dogs on
In
like
Whitby,
Robin
in
Hood's
Robin
Bay,
Hood's Bay, everywhere.
everywhere.
And they're like living their life genuinely.
And surfers.
Yeah, and we've seen, this is the first time I was telling Nishant that I had never seen surfers like in real life, like
Yeah.
never in action basically. I've always seen them in movies
Yeah.
and videos and everything like that. When we came here the first day, we were literally just sitting because we didn't have the access to our room
Yeah.
early. So we were literally sitting over there just watching all the surfers.
Having
and
our Tesco meal deal and
yeah,
just
literally, and I'll definitely go off a little further and show
Yeah.
because I think they're back again in their game.
every single day they're here somehow. I love it.
Yeah, and every single sunrise, sunset,
Yeah.
every time we're here, they're there. So that's it for this video, guys. I feel like Scarborough has definitely been an amazing trip.
Yep.
Especially like Whitby and Robin Hood's Bay as well. And the whole place is so beautiful, so serene. And like we have mentioned, like we've been blessed with this
Really,
weather.
really blessed.
Obviously, we are wearing puffers, but
But that's
that's
it
besides
is what
the
it
point.
is. Yeah.
Anyway, we're not people who will go into the sea and everything. We just
Exactly.
like to be outside
Yes.
and enjoy it like that. So I think it's been an incredible first time in Scarborough.
Yep.
And if you're visiting, then do go to all of these places.
Yeah.
Just be near the water, and obviously enjoy lots. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.